Welcome, Android developers. In this video, I will be explaining in detail about network failures in Android apps. For the purposes of this video, I have downloaded a sample project from GitHub. Let me run the app in a simulator. Now that the app is up and running, let me try using it. Looks like the login API call took more than an ideal amount of time to complete the execution. The API call made here has failed while updating user info. Let us take a look at how the issue is reported in Finotes dashboard. Issue report shows that a 400 status code error occurred at the /update URL. The network parameters data point has provided the request body that was sent to the endpoint. Looks like there is a parameter user_name, which should not have the underscore. Removing underscore from the field will fix the issue. Looking at the list of tickets, there are two more issues reported in the dashboard. One is a delayed call issue, and the other is a duplicate call issue. This duplicate issue report shows that 2 calls to URL blog/list were made within a time of 402 milliseconds. Inspecting the activity trail shows that this duplicate call was made from blog fragment. In the code, I have triggered the call and the scroll state changed callback without any checks. Adding additional checks to make sure it is triggered only at the right time should fix this issue. Next, the delayed call issue occurred in the login API call. Depending on the number of devices affected, it will be reported to the server team. Stay tuned for our next video on detecting and fixing memory leaks in Android.